faith leaders and faith-based organizations play a crucial role in supporting land restoration. When it comes to restoration efforts, faith-based organizations can be powerful allies and champions for several reasons. One, their broad influence. About 84% of the world's population is affiliated with a religion, says a Pew Research, which means leveraging faith-based approaches to sustainability and restoration can reach a huge population. Substantial land holdings and assets. Faith-based organizations own about 8% of habitable land and approximately 5% of commercial forests. They can implement and create opportunities for sustainable land management and restoration practices. Unique perspectives and knowledge. Certain faith-based organizations can bring a profound understanding of stewardship of land and respect for nature. Their practical wisdom can go a long way in restoring forests and landscapes.